spiders. To some, they are creatures of myth and legend, inspiring both fear and fascination. To others, they are marvels of nature, intricate predators with a beauty all their own. Join us now as we journey into the world of these eight-legged invertebrates, exploring 5 remarkable species that showcase the incredible diversity of the spider family. Over the next 19 minutes, we will delve into the lives of these often misunderstood creatures, uncovering their unique adaptations, hunting strategies, and the crucial roles they play in our ecosystems. From the formidable tarantula to the agile jumping spider, prepare to be amazed by the hidden world of creepy crawlers. Our journey begins with the tarantula, perhaps the most widely recognized spider on Earth. Often depicted as fearsome beasts, these spiders are, in reality, surprisingly docile creatures. Their imposing size and hairy bodies, while intimidating to some, are merely adaptations to their environment. These features, along with their powerful fangs, have earned them a reputation that precedes them. Despite their size, tarantulas are not aggressive hunters. They are ambush predators, patiently waiting for unsuspecting prey to wander too close. Their diet primarily consists of insects, although some larger species have been known to take down small rodents and reptiles. Tarantulas, despite their poor eyesight, are incredibly sensitive to vibrations in their surroundings. These vibrations are picked up by sensory organs located on their legs, allowing them to detect the movements of both prey and predators. This heightened sense of touch is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to navigate their environment and locate food in the darkness. Imagine relying on your sense of touch to understand the world around you. This remarkable adaptation highlights the incredible ways in which spiders have evolved to thrive in their respective habitats. The world of a tarantula is a symphony of vibrations, a language they understand with remarkable precision. Their ability to interpret these subtle cues is a testament to the power of natural selection and the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth. Unlike many of their web-spinning relatives, tarantulas do not spin elaborate webs to capture prey. Instead, they utilize silk for a variety of other purposes, including lining their burrows and creating egg sacs. These silken retreats provide protection from predators and the elements, offering a safe haven for both adults and their vulnerable offspring. The silk produced by tarantulas is incredibly strong and durable, capable of withstanding the rigors of their subterranean lifestyle. It is within these silk-lined chambers that the tarantula finds sanctuary from the outside world. Here, they can molt in peace, shedding their exoskeletons as they grow, and females can care for their young until they are old enough to venture out on their own. Tarantulas, despite their fearsome reputation, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. As both predators and prey, they help to regulate populations of insects and other invertebrates. Their presence ensures a healthy and vibrant ecosystem, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The next time you encounter a tarantula, remember that you are witnessing a creature of remarkable resilience and adaptation. They are not monsters to be feared, but rather fascinating creatures deserving of our respect and admiration. Now, let us move on to another captivating spider, one shrouded in notoriety and fear, the black widow. Our next encounter takes us into the shadowy world of the black widow, a spider as renowned for its venomous bite as it is for its striking appearance. Found throughout the world, black widows are instantly recognizable by the distinctive red hourglass marking on their abdomens. This vibrant marking serves as a warning to potential predators, signaling the spider's potent venom. While their bite can be dangerous to humans, fatalities are extremely rare thanks to the development of antivenom. Unlike the ambush tactics of the tarantula, the black widow relies on its intricate webs to ensnare its prey. These webs, often found in dark, secluded areas, are masterpieces of engineering designed to trap unsuspecting insects. The silk of a black widow's web is incredibly strong, capable of withstanding the struggles of even the most powerful insects. Once entangled, the spider's fate is sealed. Once an insect becomes trapped in the black widow's web, the spider springs into action. Using its lightning-fast reflexes, the black widow rushes towards its prey, injecting it with a paralyzing venom. This venom not only immobilizes the prey, but also begins to liquefy its internal organs, turning it into a nourishing soup that the spider can easily consume. The black widow's venom is a complex cocktail of neurotoxins designed to quickly subdue its prey. This potent venom is what gives the black widow its fearsome reputation and has made it the subject of both myth and legend. However, it is important to remember that black widows are not aggressive spiders and will only bite in self-defense. The mating rituals of the black widow are as intriguing as they are macabre. Males, much smaller than their female counterparts, will often approach a female's web with caution, plucking the silken strands to announce their presence. This delicate dance is crucial, as a female black widow may mistake a potential suitor for a meal and devour him before he has a chance to mate. If the male is successful in his courtship, he will carefully approach the female and mate with her. However, his victory may be short-lived, as females have been known to cannibalize their mates after copulation. This seemingly gruesome act is thought to provide the female with vital nutrients needed for egg production, ensuring the survival of her offspring. Despite their fearsome reputation, black widows play an important role in their ecosystems. As predators, they help to control populations of insects, many of which can be agricultural pests. Their presence ensures a healthy balance within the food web, a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things. The black widow, a creature of both beauty and danger, reminds us of the incredible diversity of the natural world. While their venom may inspire fear, their role in the ecosystem is undeniable. Next, we will journey into the world of the wolf spider, a skilled hunter with keen eyesight and remarkable agility. The wolf spider, a creature often misunderstood and feared, is a fascinating example of a skilled predator. Unlike many other spider species, the wolf spider does not rely on webs to ensnare its prey. Instead, it employs a more active hunting strategy, using its agility and keen senses to pursue its quarry. Found in a variety of habitats around the world, from grasslands to forests, wolf spiders are solitary creatures, preferring to hunt alone. Their bodies, often adorned with camouflage patterns, allow them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings, making them even more formidable hunters. Their most remarkable feature, however, is their exceptional eyesight. Equipped with 8 eyes arranged in 3 rows, wolf spiders possess a field of vision that surpasses that of many other spider species. This exceptional vision, combined with their speed and agility, makes them highly effective hunters. 2 of the wolf spider's eyes are particularly large and prominent, providing exceptional night vision. These large, forward-facing eyes are highly sensitive to light and movement, allowing the spider to detect even the slightest flicker in the darkness. This remarkable adaptation makes wolf spiders particularly active during the twilight hours and at night, when many of their prey are also on the move. As darkness descends, the wolf spider emerges from its burrow or hiding place, ready to hunt. Their hunting strategy is a combination of stealth and speed. Relying on their camouflage to remain undetected, they patiently stalk their prey, their 8 legs moving with precision and silence. Once within striking distance, they pounce with astonishing speed, their powerful legs propelling them forward. Their prey, often unsuspecting insects and other small invertebrates, stand little chance against the wolf spider's lightning-fast reflexes and potent venom. The venom, injected through the spider's fangs, quickly immobilizes the prey, allowing the wolf spider to enjoy its hard-earned meal. While often perceived as solitary and fearsome creatures, wolf spiders exhibit a surprising level of maternal care. After mating, the female wolf spider lays her eggs, carefully encasing them in a silken sac that she carries with her. This silken egg sac, attached to the spinnerets at the end of her abdomen, is a precious cargo, and the female wolf spider will go to great lengths to protect it. She carries the sac with her everywhere, even while hunting, ensuring that her developing offspring are always safe and secure. Once the spiderlings hatch, they climb onto their mother's back, where they will remain for several days or even weeks as they grow and develop. During this time, the mother spider will continue to hunt and provide for her young, demonstrating a remarkable level of dedication and care. This maternal behavior is a testament to the complex lives of these often misunderstood creatures. Far from being the fearsome monsters of popular imagination, wolf spiders are fascinating and vital members of the ecosystems they inhabit. While their appearance and hunting prowess may inspire fear in some, wolf spiders play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. As predators, they help to regulate populations of insects and other invertebrates, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. Their presence in gardens and other outdoor spaces can be beneficial, as they help to control populations of pests that can damage plants and crops. Rather than being feared, wolf spiders should be appreciated for their important role in the web of life. Encounters with humans are often accidental, as wolf spiders are not aggressive and will only bite if they feel threatened. Should you encounter a wolf spider in your home or garden, it is best to observe it from a safe distance and allow it to go about its business. Remember, these fascinating creatures are more afraid of us than we are of them. By learning more about wolf spiders and their place in the natural world, we can begin to appreciate their unique beauty and the vital role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. And now we encounter a creature whose hunting strategy relies not on stealth or webs, but on a burst of astonishing athleticism. This is the jumping spider. Don't let their diminutive size fool you. These spiders are a force to be reckoned with. Their bodies are compact powerhouses, perfectly adapted for their unique hunting style. Unlike many of their kin, jumping spiders don't spin webs to ensnare their prey. Instead, they stalk their victims with the focused intensity of a big cat, their 8 eyes providing remarkably sharp vision. And when the moment is right, they strike. With a powerful leap, they can propel themselves many times their own body length, pouncing on unsuspecting insects with breathtaking speed. This incredible jumping ability is made possible by a unique hydraulic system within their legs. Perhaps the most remarkable feature of the jumping spider is its exceptional eyesight. In fact, their vision is considered to be the best of all spiders, and some might even say rivals our own. Their 8 eyes are not created equal. 2 large, forward-facing eyes provide binocular vision, allowing them to judge distances with astonishing accuracy. This is crucial for their hunting technique, as a misjudged leap could mean the difference between a successful hunt and an empty stomach. The remaining 6 eyes are positioned around the spider's head, providing an almost 360-degree field of view. This allows them to detect movement from virtually any direction, making them incredibly aware of their surroundings. Imagine a world seen through so many lenses, a mosaic of images constantly feeding information to their tiny brains. Such sophisticated vision is not merely for hunting, however. Jumping spiders are also known to use their remarkable eyesight for courtship displays, captivating potential mates with intricate dances and vibrant colors. Indeed, many species of jumping spiders are strikingly beautiful, sporting a dazzling array of colors and patterns. Some males, in their quest to attract a mate, even perform elaborate courtship dances, showcasing their vibrant hues and agile movements. These dances are more than just a visual spectacle. They are a complex form of communication, conveying vital information about the male's species, fitness, and intentions. The female jumping spider, often more subtly colored, is a discerning judge of these performances. She observes the male's every move, assessing his suitability as a mate. Survival in the wild depends not only on hunting prowess, but also on the ability to secure a mate and ensure the continuation of one's lineage. From the intricacies of their courtship displays to the bold colors that adorn their bodies, jumping spiders remind us that even in the smallest of creatures, nature's artistry knows no bounds. Observing a jumping spider in its natural habitat is a captivating experience. Their movements are quick, precise, and often surprisingly playful. One might even be tempted to describe their behavior as curious, as they investigate their surroundings with an almost inquisitive air. Their world, though miniature in scale, is no less complex or fascinating than our own. They navigate a landscape of towering blades of grass and navigate intricate mazes of leaves and branches, all the while hunting, courting, and evading predators. Next time you find yourself in the garden or out in nature, take a moment to look a little closer. You might just be lucky enough to witness the remarkable agility and captivating charm of the jumping spider. And now we turn our attention to the weavers, the architects of the spider world. These are the orb weavers, masters of silk and creators of some of nature's most intricate and beautiful traps. Their webs, often glistening with morning dew, are a testament to the power of instinct and the elegance of natural design. Orb weavers are found in a variety of habitats around the world, from gardens and forests to meadows and marshes. Their webs, often suspended between branches or blades of grass, are strategically positioned to intercept flying insects. Each strand of silk is a marvel of engineering, stronger than steel by weight and yet incredibly flexible. The construction of an orb web is a meticulous process, one that requires both precision and patience. It begins with a single, strong thread, which the spider uses to bridge a gap between two anchor points. From this initial bridge, the spider constructs a framework of radial threads, like the spokes of a wheel. With the framework in place, the spider begins to spin the spiral threads that will form the web's capture area. These threads are coated with a sticky substance that traps unsuspecting insects. The spider, however, can move freely across the web thanks to its specially adapted legs. Once the web is complete, the spider typically sits in the center or retreats to a hidden corner, patiently waiting for an unsuspecting insect to stumble into its silken trap. The vibrations of the web alert the spider to the presence of prey, and it rushes to subdue its catch. But the orb weaver's silk is not just used for catching prey. It also plays a vital role in the spider's life cycle. Females use their silk to create protective sacs for their eggs, safeguarding their offspring from predators and the elements. These egg sacs are often intricately woven and camouflaged, blending seamlessly with their surroundings. And when it's time to disperse, young spiderlings will release strands of silk into the air, allowing the wind to carry them to new territories. This ballooning behavior, as it is known, is a remarkable adaptation that allows spiders to colonize new areas and expand their range. Orb weaver spiders, with their intricate webs and fascinating life cycle, are a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of nature. Their silken creations, often overlooked or brushed aside, are in fact masterpieces of design worthy of our admiration and respect. So next time you encounter an orb weaver's web, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and the ingenuity behind its construction. You are witnessing the work of a master architect, a creature that has honed its skills over millions of years of evolution. From the hairy giants to the nimble jumpers, from the stealthy hunters to the master weavers, the world of spiders is full of wonder and surprise. Each species, with its unique adaptations and behaviors, offers a glimpse into the incredible diversity of life on Earth. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of creepy crawlers. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more incredible journeys into the natural world. And let us know in the comments below which spider caught your attention. Until next time, keep exploring.